Our little space, our bigger dreams, our small might, our growing wings. Comfort is growing uncomfortable. Break up the log, open up the cage, set me free, let me fly, else my wings will grow weak. Set the cage bird free. It's designed to dive into the sky. Give it a chance to breathe. Don't let it die a captive. Give it the freedom to live. I chose to crawl, but I'm meant to walk. I chose to run, but I guess I'm better at flying. Till I give it a try, I'll never know. Nest your dreams, but don't let it rest. Test your boundaries, with that you'll know your best. For in daring, one finds his true strength. Set your mind and heart free. Unlock your potentials. Let your imaginations roam and give it a chance to breathe. Come out of the cage. Face your fear. That's how you get the dreams achieved.